Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Sincere thanks to
Good afternoon, sir.
sincere thanks to Ziad Bhuneshwar for giving me one more chance to interact with all the teachers. And today, this is actually a topic which was proposed by me. One more software I want to introduce, that is Autograph. Before I start it, it is my humble request to all the participants to mute your mic because there will be some disturbance to others to hear my voice. There may be some disturbance to others. Please mute your camera also because as per all of you are attending it for the past 3 or 4 days, but there is one tips from experts, that is whenever you are attending any video conferencing, suppose if you are not using your camera continuously, you are saving a lot of data. It is left to you, but I am not asking you to just switch off your camera. But as per the experts advice, if you are not using your camera continuously, for example, whenever somebody is giving lecture, you are simply listening. If you mute your camera, then you are saving a lot of your own data. Very left to you. But anyway, please mute your mic. That I want a humble request to all of you. I hope that all of you can hear me. Now, yesterday, on the day before yesterday, we had one session on GeoGebra. Today we are going for one more software which is also a kind of dynamic one. The name is Autograph. I think by seeing the name you know that what is the meaning of an autograph. Normally we used to get it from experts or any celebrity. But the name given to this software Autograph because it will draw the curve automatically. It will draw the graph automatically. That is why it is called Autograph. Now I have divided my session into two parts. In the first part, I will tell you how you can load it in your computer. But I am using Autograph since 2013. I am using it since 2013. But at the time when I started using it, this Autograph was not a free version. But luckily, I got 2 licenses from that owner of this Autograph because I met him in a conference and he gave me 2 licenses. But we have to be very happy to know that this Autograph has become free from June 2020. This Autograph is totally free from 2020 June. That is why now I have started taking classes on Autograph. Previously, I will never introduce this Autograph to teachers because it is not a free version. Otherwise, they will tell that sir, आपने बोला था स्कूल में मैंने परचेस कर लिया. Or I don't want to get into troubles. For now, as it is free, now I am free to explain this to you. Okay. Now in the last class we had GeoGebra, but GeoGebra and Autograph, they are having so many similar properties and similar way of dynamic way of doing worksheets. But in Autograph, there are certain positive things also. Now let us see one after the other. Actually, what this Autograph does, it let you visualize max in 2D and 3D. Both 2 dimension and 3 dimension are very good in Autograph. But all of you may not be knowing it. I am using GeoGebra since 2008. But actually when 3 dimension was introduced in GeoGebra, it was not taken very positively. Therefore, they withdrew that 3 dimensional from GeoGebra for some time. We may call for maybe for 6 to 7 months. Then they reintroduced it. But this Autograph from day number 1, that 3D is very good. Teachers and peoples can learn to use Autograph quickly and easily. Actually, whatever the class I am going to take today, it is only a curtain raiser. It is left to you. आप खुद देखना है, खुद सीखना है. And I think yesterday also I explained you, whenever you are using anything in the class, always remember it should be user friendly to the children also. ये हमेशा याद रखना है. आपने बड़ा बड़ा चीज़ को बच्चों को दिखाते हैं, फिर the child cannot come and experiment it. that will not have any effect on the child. Therefore, GeoGebra is also highly user friendly. Autograph is also user friendly. And another important thing, both are totally free. किसी पैसा खर्च करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Therefore, आपने दिल खोलकर बच्चों को बोल सकते हैं ऑटोग्राफ यूज करो. But please be careful. It is my warning to you. Please don't try to do any cracked version in education. It is highly dangerous. If you get any cracked version of any of the softwares, it is my humble request. Please try to avoid using them. There is no coding required. That is highly interesting. No command required. मान लीजिए आपने कोई भी एनिमेशन करना है, कमांड करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. बट याद रख लीजिए, फॉर डूइंग एनिमेशन सो मच कमांडिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. दैट इज वाई देयर इज अ सेपरेट कोर्स इन एनिमेशन. आपको मालूम है, गो एंड आस्क द एनिमेशन पीपल हाउ दे आर डूइंग द एनिमेशन. They have to do a lot of coding, they have to do a lot of commands, but we are not going to do anything. Okay, now step number 1, I will tell you how you have to download this autograph. Autograph can be downloaded from this website, completemax.com/autograph. But when you go to the Google, don't type simply autograph, then it will take you to any movie named autograph. But please type autograph software. I repeat once again, please type autograph software. I will show you now, don't worry. Now actually previously this autograph was in a separate company run by Mr. Douglas Butler, because I know him personally. But now this completemax.com has taken over that autograph and they have made it free. Therefore completemax.com, what you have to do? You have to create an account in it. They are not, you cannot download it directly without creating an account. Don't worry about it. If you are having a Gmail account or Yahoo account or whatever, some account, some email account, you can get this downloaded. Then you have to activate your account. Then only the executive file can be downloaded. Then install the autograph. Shall we start now? I will show you the website. I will show you how you have to do it. It's very simple. I am going back. All of you can see in the Google, what should be typed? Then I know, I already told you, autograph software you have to type. Autograph software. Immediately it opens. Don't go anywhere downward. Now remember that whenever you want to download any software, it is available in many websites nowadays. All of you know that. But try to download it only from the authorized website. Now this is the website authorized, completemax.com autograph. I am clicking it. All of you are able to see it. Autograph Complete Max. I am clicking it. And it will open. And the first page you are able to see now. Just wait for a minute. You are able to see autograph 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You are
sir.
seeing autograph 5. But remember, as I told you earlier, I am using autograph since 2013. The version which I started using was autograph 3. आपको मालूम है 3, 4, 5 होते जाएगा. Now it is autograph 5. And you have to simply click download for free. Here autograph 5 is coming. The website is completemax.com/autograph. You can get it from Google also. In the Google, type autograph software. Then I am clicking download free. Now you see it is asking two options. Already an autograph 5 user. Normally you may not be. I am a user. You may not be. I don't know. Here on the right side you are having don't have an account, sign up for your free copy below. You are seeing on the right side. On the right side you are seeing don't have an account, sign up for your free copy below. A student can have a copy, a teacher can have a copy, or a network administrator can have a copy. You know what is the meaning of the network administrator? A person can download this autograph and he can share it with more than 100 or 200 computers. But when you click this I am a teacher, it will ask your login details. And I told you earlier, if you are having an email, simply log in it. you can log in here, email, password and confirm password, anything you can give, and it will send immediately after that. When you submit it, it will send you a code. It will send you a code to your email ID. I will show you that the code which it sends. I will show you how it sends the code. Yeah, very simple it is. Actually, it will not take much time for you to do it, because for you only recently I created one code for my purpose, and I will show you. Okay, here it will come. Autograph complete. Please verify your email ID. You will get your email ID immediately. Within 1 minute, you will get your email ID. Simply click it, and in that email ID inside, there will be one 4-digit number. There will be one 4-digit number that is called code. You see, my code is 38680. Your code may be different. Simply enter that code. Autograph executive file will get downloaded. Please load it in your computer. I repeat once again how to load it. It is very simple. Go to this website. I think I already showed you the website, I feel. Autograph website already I have showed you. In that, sign up for your free copy. In that, enter all your login details. Press submit. You will get a 4-digit code in your, or 5-digit code in your email ID. Enter it. Autograph can be downloaded free. Then you load in your computer. It's very simple. Okay, well, I think with that I am closing that the way of how to create it. I have given you the idea how to create an account, how to activate your account, and how to download the executive file and install Autograph. Now the Autograph
So
has
this
been
will stay
installed
some
here. Any doubt in that? I don't think it's a very simple process. You can download it.
any even
Yes.
this can be downloaded in mobile devices.
Mobile version
Mob-
is there, sir. Autograph app is there. You try.
okay.
Okay, but
Okay.
remember, these types of softwares very difficult to use it in mobile, because here the vertices we are going to pull and push, but very
Yes.
difficult in mobile. Even GeoGebra is not easy in mobile. It is my personal experience. Okay, now you see I am showing you this Autograph file. This is the icon. When you load it, automatically it will go and get loaded in your computer. Remember, for the first time when you are opening it, it will ask you to log in. It may ask you to log in. You have to log in with that account already you have created. I think I showed you the way how to create an account in Autograph. This Autograph is opening now. There are two types of Autograph. One is advanced one, another is standard one. But I know that all of you will select only advanced. Nobody will select the ordinary one. Whenever you open it, it will check for updates. And again I repeat, it is totally a offline software. आपने इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट करने का जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ एग्जीक्यूटिव फाइल डाउनलोड करने के लिए करना है. Suppose that executive file your friend has already downloaded, then you can take it in your pen drive and you can load in your computer. But when you do it, it will ask you to sign in once again, because their only idea of this Autograph is they want to connect every user with a Gmail account or any account. Okay, now this Autograph file is the first page. What are the things available there? You are having statistics page, you are having 2D graph page, you are having 3-dimensional page, and you are having complex number page. The meaning is you can use this Autograph from class 6 to PhD. You can use it from class 6 to class 12, again for BSc, again for MSc, and again for research also you can use this Autograph. But we will restrict ourselves to some classes, maybe up to class 12. But class 12, I have seen this Autograph is highly useful to explain the nature of functions. I think in GeoGebra also I have discussed. Okay, now slowly I will start. I have just listed out only 5 or 6 sheets, because we are having 1 hour with us, and I am having one more webinar at 4 p.m. Therefore, I wish to tell you that how to do it, but again I am repeating, this is only a curtain raiser. मैं आपको तो कैसे कर सकता है कि हाथ पकड़ के आपको इधर ऑटोग्राफ का नज़दीक लेकर आ गया. ये आपका काम है पानी पीने का. Therefore, again I am repeating, totally we cannot do it, but in Z@, Mumbai, this year we are planning to have a complete course, online course on autograph. We are planning for it. If we have done it, then you will get a chance to do that course online. But इस साल तो face to face तो बहुत मुश्किल है. Then normally we will just try to have offline, because already we have started online courses. I am doing it with Raipur region. Some of you may be knowing it. Okay, well, now let me start this 2D page. You are seeing one page has opened now, and it is a x-axis, y-axis has opened, and on the top you are seeing menu bar. On the top you are seeing menu bar. I will read one after the other, but remember, whenever required, we will be using the menu bar. File, edit, view, page, access, data, equation, object, window and help. And in autograph and also in GeoGebra, you want to do anything. For suppose you want to draw a line, you want to draw a perpendicular, you want to find the midpoint. There is not a single way to do it. Normally there are more than one way to do it. Here also the same thing. And here you are seeing these are all toolbars which are at the bottom. These are all toolbars. Suppose I am having toolbars in two rows. ऊपर एक row है, नीचे भी एक row है. Whenever you are opening, you may not see these two rows. May not. In that case, go to this last arrow, add or remove button, do the customization. Here you tick whatever you want. These are the toolbars you want. I told you ना, these are all toolbars. आपको कोई भी toolbar को add कर सकते हैं और delete कर सकते हैं. In the beginning, you may not have all the tools available. You may not have. If you want to have any tool, simply select this. For example, if I select complex number, it will get added up. See, complex number got added up. I am removing complex number, it has gone. I repeat once again, complex number added up. I am removing complex number, gone. It comes in the third row. I think I don't want it now, because when complex number comes, let me take it. That is why what they have done is, these tools are little bit hidden to make your view highly interesting. Okay, I am just closing it. Let me tell you some interesting things in this GeoGebra. Now you see, when you go to this file, I am opening this file. What are the things available? I will read one after the other. New 1D statistics page. What is the meaning of 1D? One dimension. I think don't get confused, sir. What is this one dimension? They are just talking about only the positive axis of x and positive axis of y. When I click it, you see you are getting this. Okay, you know that now whenever we draw the histogram and all, we will not have negative values. We will start from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. Therefore, no need to pull the axis. Therefore, they have given directly. Okay, I am removing it. Well, now the next one is 2D graphic page, which we are seeing now. The next one is 3D. I think some of you may be highly interested to know how to use that 3D, but please wait. 2D के बाद ही 3D में जाएंगे. Then the next one is complex page. When I click it, it will become a complex plane now. Whenever I am taking any point and I am putting over here, it will become a complex number. You know that x plus iy. Okay, this also I am closing. We will come back to it. And another interesting thing I want to show you. Okay, I am closing it. In this file, you are having extra page. Remember, here there are only 4 or 5 extra pages they have added. They may be adding it quite often. They may be going on adding. Okay, now I will go for area of a circle. I think this is a thing which I think most of you might have seen in many book also. How to explain the area of a triangle to the child. That is divided into so many sectors, put it in a rectangle type, then it will become length into breadth. Now here you can have any number of this one, and you can click it, and you see it will automatically show the child that how that pi r square came. Okay, from that all of them have come. Pi r actually it has become the length, and r has become the breadth for pi r into r, pi r square. Okay, now you see all at once. Once again I repeat. Remember, these are all the autograph sheets already made by somebody and given to you ready made. Okay, I am closing it. I will show you one more. Not all. you play around. In trigonometry, is another interesting one, and they have given what is the value of the sine, cos and tan. You can play around and then see. You see, when I am making it, the graph is also coming and the value is also coming for sine, cos and tan. It's totally automatic. You can, I think you know that we are going to explain the child that unit circle and so on. You know how we are teaching it. Now that has been done with one kind of animation over here. Remaining thing you play around because some more extra place is there. This die simulation, all of you know that whenever you are throwing a die, there are two types of thing is there. One is theoretical probability, another is another probability. Therefore, that can be done with it. Okay, I'm just leaving it. You just play around. Okay, let me start with how you have to start about. Remember, I think just like your GeoGebra, here you can remove the x-axis and y-axis also. If you want to teach the child without any axis, we want to teach them point, we want to teach them circle, tangent and all up to class 8, you don't need this axis. Or what you can do is, here there is one cross mark is there, you click it, axis will go. I repeat once again, axis is the default setting. Whenever you open, axis will come automatically. X-axis and y-axis will come automatically. There is one cross is there. Above this page 1, there is one cross is there. Click it, it will go. Is it okay? Now, this is a white page. Here we can draw triangles. We can draw rectangles. We can draw circles. Then we can tell them what are the properties of circle, what are the properties of what all. Okay. Now, you know that any geometry starts with a point. You know? However, I also start with a point. Here point is in the left side. Point is in the left side. You are seeing it. Here there are 4 modes for the point. Point. The second one is intersection mode. The third one is line segment mode. The fourth one is vector mode. The fifth one is circle mode. I repeat once again. Point का 4 मोड है, 5 मोड है. एक है normal. The second one is intersection mode. Why this intersection mode is there? Suppose you want to show the child that 2 straight lines are intersecting and that point to be noted. Suppose आपने लेकर के जा करके उधर लगाया, it may go outside that point of intersection also. But when you use it, exactly it will go and sit in the point of intersection. I will show you. And this is line segment mode. That is when you drag it, a line segment will be automatically made. And this is vector mode. No need to tell you. Drag करने से एक vector मिलेगा. This is circle mode. A point, when you open it, you will get a circle. Okay, we will see one after the other now. I will take a point now. I am just putting it over here. Is it visible to you? I hope that it should be visible to you. But remember that
Yes, sir.
actually whenever you are seeing it on any screen, because the background is white, it will be visible to everybody. But this is a point now. Now this is actually whenever you are using any tool, after the tool is used, you have to press escape. That is the basic rule in geometry, in GeoGebra and also in AutoGraph. I repeat once again. Whenever you are doing any work, or you are drawing a line or doing a point or drawing a circle, whatever you are doing, after your job is over, after that purpose is over, you have to press escape. You have to press escape. Otherwise what happens? You see, I am not pressing escape. You see, it is going on making points. When you click it, it will be going on making points. It will not stop making points because it is in the point making mode. पर किसको प्रेस करना है? Escape. But whenever I do teaching in this GeoGebra, whenever I ask the question, the teacher, sir, what is the next step? Every teacher will tell, sir, escape. The next step may be anything else, but they will tell that, sir, escape karo. Well, but that is escape is actually highly interesting. Okay. Now I am once again I will come back. I will take this point and I am putting it. Now you see, this point is having coordinates, but this coordinates is actually in the background. Suppose if you want, you see, coordinate is there. Always that is highly interesting thing in GeoGebra and AutoGraph. They are not separating as point as a point and coordinate as a coordinate. Every point will have a coordinate. Here the coordinate is shown here. I will show you that coordinate once again to you. Is it coordinate is shown to you? Minus 0.7 and y is equal to 1.1. That's why I told you, whatever the point you are putting, even though you are putting it on a sheet where there is no axis, it will not take it as a single point, it will take it as a coordinate only. Okay, well, I am putting escape. You can move this point and okay, anyway, I will remove this. Okay. Now I have about the point. The next mode of the point is, I told you that it is line segment mode. Intersection mode will come back. What is the meaning of line segment mode? You click it, drag it, you will get a segment. Again I am putting it, drag it, I am getting a segment. I am putting it, drag it, you will get a segment. You should not leave your mouse. You have to left click, पकड़ कर खींचना है. That's all, very simple. पकड़ कर खींचना है. Now you see, making use of it, I think I can make one quadrilateral also like this. I think I can make a quadrilateral or something I can make. Okay, this is the way of doing it. Okay. Now if you want to remove any of the diagram which you have drawn, there are two ways of doing this. One is you select it. 1 minute, I will escape. You can select it by this box. एक बॉक्स से सेलेक्ट होता है. देखिए ऐसे बॉक्स, आई थिंक इट इज वेरी डॉटेड लाइन्स में आ रहा है. बॉक्स आई एम सेलेक्टिंग. बट हियर द ओनली थिंग इन ऑटोग्राफ इज whenever you select something, it will glow. For example, this point is not glowing. When I select this point by like this, when I select it, it will glow. It is glowing. It is glowing. Okay. After selection, you can delete it also, but it will get deleted. For after selection, you can delete, and I will select, and I will delete. It will give you a warning. Okay. Another way of deleting is Control A, but that is very dangerous. When I press Control A, everything will get selected. The thing is, आपको किसको रिमूव करना है, किसको ना करना है, सभी उड़ जाएगा. But you should be a bit careful with that. I am just controlling A करके उसको दबा दिया. Okay, now I started with a point. Once again I repeat, the point में एक normal point है, दूसरा है point line segment mode is also there. Is it okay? Now with that point, I am just taking a point now. I am putting it over here. Now this point is not having any coordinates. All of you, sorry, it is having a coordinate, but it is not having any label. But for any object, suppose if it is a straight line or a circle or a parabola or hyperbola, whatever may be, you select it and then right click it. Then one box will open where you can do any type of formatting. हमेशा याद रख लीजिए, if you want to do changes in straight line, if you want to do any changes in a circle, you want to do any changes in a parabola, you want to do change any of the graph or any of the figure in this autograph, simply select it. It will glow, then right click it, then you will get it. You see now it is not showing the label, therefore I am clicking show label. It is showing. Originally it was point A, but it was not showing. It is showing. There are so many, you play around, there are so many ways of doing it. Edit करो, delete कर सकता है, hide कर सकता है, anything can be done. But here you see one more interesting idea. I am taking one point now. Through that point, all of you know that a line can be drawn. Or I am doing right click, go to this line. These types of lines are possible. Horizontal line, vertical line, gradient line, fixed length line. 4 types are possible. Okay, now let me tell you one of them. Horizontal line, when I click it, it is going like this. Immediate. Again I am clicking it. Go to this line. I am going to vertical line. Vertical line has come. Okay. Now remember, I think I have used this autograph to ask so many questions to the children. Because whenever you are using it, please ask the question to the child. After the answer comes only, please show whatever the figure comes. Highly interesting. Okay. Now once again I take the point. I am going to this line and gradient line. The gradient line. Then one more. That one is actually its slope. Why one is slope? You know that. 45, tan 45. Well, this line, I will type this fixed line length. Okay, let me delete everything. so that you can see it properly. I will take a point now. I am going over here and I am going to this line. I am going for fixed line length. It will ask you how much length you want. You know that this is also available in GeoGebra. Instead of drawing a line segment, you can draw a fixed line segment also. Let me type 4. You see, this is a line segment of length 4 units. Some of you may be having a doubt. You see, I am fixing it in a number line and showing you. Is it 4? 4 units. Paka 4 units. Or I think nobody can deny it. Okay, well. Okay, this is the way to use that point. Okay. Now, I have told you that different modes of points now. Now, the next question is, normally all of you may be asking me a question. Sir, okay sir, line ho gaya, point ho gaya. Now the next is I want to teach them angle. मैं उन लोगों को angle दिखाना चाहता हूँ. What is the meaning of angle? Then what do you mean by acute angle? What do you mean by obtuse angle? What do you mean by reflex angle? For that, I am taking a point. I am putting a point over here. I am putting another point over here. I want to draw the first arm. You know that we are calling it as arm. To do it, you have to select these 2 points. I think already I have told you that how to select it. One way of selecting is box it. Both are selected. I repeat once again. Simply box it. With your mouse, they will get selected. Some of you thinking that sir मुझे box करना नहीं आता है, मतलब थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हो रहा है. I will give you another way. Click it. It will get glowed. This is the only one selected. अभी हमको क्या करना है, दूसरा तीसरा भी select करना है. Press your shift. This is actually one of the very interesting thing in keyboard. Shift पकड़ के दूसरा भी click करिए, दोनों select हो गया. अभी तीसरा select करना है तो shift को छोड़ना नहीं. तीसरा को touch करिए. 14 को touch करना है तो shift को छोड़ना नहीं है, छोड़ना नहीं. मान लीजिए पूरा खत्म हो गया तो shift को छोड़ देना. I repeat once again. First one selected. I am pressing shift in the keyboard. Second one is selected. Both are selected. Now I am clicking on the right side. I want a line segment now. A line segment is drawn. Simple. A line segment is drawn. Okay, I will take one more point now. I am taking one more point. Now all of you know that I want a line segment of ये दोनों को करना है. कैसे करना है? Now I think all of you know that one way is select these 2 points. Right click. Go to the line segment. मिल गया. The other way is also you know क्या करना है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट को टच करिए, लेफ्ट क्लिक करिए, वो सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. शिफ्ट को पकड़ के दूसरा भी टच कर दीजिए, वो भी सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ दीज आर द 2 आर्म्स. वी वांट टू शो दैट द एंगल टू देम. वेरी सिंपल. सेलेक्ट ऑल द 3. ये तीनों को सेलेक्ट कर दीजिए. राइट क्लिक, क्रिएट एंगल. व्हेन यू क्रिएट एंगल, आई थिंक यू सी, रिमेंबर जियोजेब्रा में इसे आसान है, बट इसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कठिन नहीं. ओके, इट इज टेलिंग एंगल, देन सेटिंग्स, अलो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, डिस्प्ले एंगल टू 1 decimal place, show label. It is showing all of them. You play around and clicking OK. Anyway, I think it is a very simple angle now. I am pressing escape and I am moving it. It is showing in radians. Now it is showing in degrees. Now it is showing in radians. It is showing in degrees. I think it depends on the way you are just teaching in the child. Now you can ask them to make one acute angle. You can ask them to make an obtuse angle. You can ask them to make a right angle. This is the way to treat them. What is the types of angles you are having? But this idea is highly used to get the angles in a triangle, to get the angles in a parallelogram, to get the angles inside a trapezium, to get the angles inside any polygon. Okay, I am removing it. Let me tell you how to draw one triangle and then show them. A triangle needs 3 points. Where I am taking point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. All of you know that how to select them. One way of selecting is Control A. Another way of selecting is boxing them. Another way of selecting is press the first point, shift को पकड़िए, second, third को select कर लीजिए. Then right click. Then you create. You can create a quadratic 3 points, a quadratic, a cubic, polynomial, shaded area, quadrant, anything you can make. But here there is one more option very interesting called group to shape. ये आपको क्लास में ज़्यादा आसान आएगा आपका. you बच्चों को पूछ सकते हैं ये 3 पॉइंट्स में क्या क्या बन सकता है. You see when I click it you got a triangle. Anyway, I think you know how to get the angles. Then how to tell them that sum of the angle is 180, everything you can know. But you can go for some construction also. You can go for some construction. Let me tell you that how to get the centroid for it. Very quickly I will tell you. What is the centroid? All of you know that. You must ask the child that what is the meaning of a centroid. वो बताएगा आपको सर they are the meeting point of all the medians. For medians you want the midpoint. Measure करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. You select this point. You select this point and then right click it. You are getting the midpoint here. Very simple. कुछ भी करना नहीं है. देखिए midpoint आ गया. That's all. No need to do anything. But remember that this is highly dynamic. When I pull it, that midpoint will be a midpoint only. It won't go anywhere. Midpoint will be a midpoint of the base. It won't go anywhere. आपको measure करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay. And now I think all of you know that to get the median, ये आपको already बता दिया मैंने. ये दोनों को select करना because we want a line segment. Go to this line and go for line segment. Median has come. But now you can ask the child to pull and push and then check whether the median is properly done. Okay, that is okay, median. Okay, very quickly I will go for the other median now. I am taking these two, this line segment, right click, point. One minute. Midpoint. Midpoint I got. Now I have to get these 2 points now, and I have to right click, go to the line. One minute, it's not get selected, I think. Line segment. Now the point which is the meeting point of both of them, that is already you have got it directly. Now this is the centroid, and you can explain the centroid, and you can explain the different properties of centroid to the child. Okay, well, okay, you play around please, friends. Because you can make circumcenter, you can make incenter, and you can have orthocenter, and there is one famous theorem on Euler theorem which connects orthocenter, incenter and circumcenter. Okay, now you can show them a equilateral triangle में कैसे तीनों एक साथ होता है. Like that you can play around please. Okay, now I think I told you that the polygon also can be drawn very quickly like this. You can ask them to just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and then you can ask them take all of them and then right click and then go to group to shape. You get here a polygon now. Okay, well, these are all things which you can play around and then find it. Okay, now let me move my, because already आधा घंटा हो गया. Now let me move to circles. I think yesterday somebody was asking about secant and tangent. Let us try to have some animations and then try to check it. Circle is very simple. Take a point, because you know that from the point only everything starts. Right click, go to circle, simply click circle. You will ask the radius. I will type 3. Now all of you maybe get confused. Sir, आपने circle draw करने के लिए बोला है but कुछ आ रहा है. But actually here the ratio is entirely different. But here you are having one tick mark. You are having one tick mark. Here you are having 1:1. Equal aspect mode. Click it. You will get a circle. Or whenever you are teaching circle to the children, please select this equal aspect. Equal aspect mode. Then only circle will look like a circle. Okay, well. Now let me take one point on the circle now. But remember that whenever I want to just put a point on the circle, all of you know that even I have some confusion. मैं ऐसे इसको लेकर जा रहा हूँ नीचे नज़दीक, मैं point डाल रहा हूँ. I don't know whether that point is inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle. Okay, this confusion will be there even for everybody. But this autograph is giving you a very interesting idea. Take a point now, go near this circle. If you get an arrow mark मिल रहा है ना? Once again I repeat, I am going very near the circle now. I am getting a black arrow mark. Black arrow mark आ रहा है? Then leave it. Leave it. If that black arrow mark comes, then you leave it on the diagram?
Visible, sir.
Huh? You want to explain it
Visible.
once again? Okay, I'm taking a point now. I want to put this point on the circumference of the circle. But remember, whenever I go and then put it, click it, sometime I may have some confusion whether that point has gone outside or inside or on it. I don't know. But because we are doing it with the mouse movement. Therefore, go near this circle, you will get a arrow mark. You will get a arrow mark. Okay, when you go near the circle, you will get a arrow mark. In that, simply click it. Simple. Okay. Now remember, this point which you have drawn can be animated. Even in GeoGebra also, even in here also. I will tell you that how to animate. Okay. Now let me come out of this escape. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. I have come out. I have totally come out. Are you seeing on this what is that bar? Toolbar, there is one thing called just like that thunder. आपको मिल रहा है ना animated object दिख रहा है ना आपको? I'm showing you
Yes, sir.
animate object,
Yes.
but that is
Yes,
not
sir.
activated now. That is not activated now. Now you see, when I touch this point, it is activated. I repeat once again. I am coming out. I am touching this point. It is activated. Color मिला ना उसको? I am touching this point. I am touching this point, it is activated. I repeat once again, I touch this point, it is activated. The meaning is that animation tool will get activated only if you select a object which can be animated. Okay, now let me go for that animation now. Animate, automatic, and speed I will reduce, and okay, and then start. Are you seeing that point is moving?
Yes, sir.
Point is moving now. You see, whenever any point is moving, you can show a lot of things to them. Suppose you can draw a tangent there and tell that you see tangent is touching at a single point only. Now you can draw one radius and tell that the radius is always having 90 degrees with the tangent. And you can draw one secant and tell that how the secant and tangent will coincide. Okay, let me stop this animation now. Let me come back to this point. Let me draw two things over here. Okay, line. I will draw a gradient line. Maybe one. Okay. Now I think some of them was asking yesterday about that secant. It is not a tangent, I hope. It is a secant now. Can we try to animate the secant? Okay, click it. This animation object is there. Then simply go to the animation, check whether it is automatic. Okay, then click it. I think all of you can see that at one spot, is it becoming a tangent? Maybe at one point it is becoming a tangent. Okay, well, I will stop this animation. At this point, let me stop. Okay, now let me try to draw one tangent to it. Again, I am clicking this point, right click, go to this line and go to the tangent. Tangent is drawn. Here the highly interesting thing in autograph is, whenever you are making a new object, एक नया कलर आता है. ये कलर आपका मनपसंद नहीं होगा, फिर भी वो खुद सेलेक्ट कर देता है. But in GeoGebra it won't happen. All of them will be of same color and you have to change the color. That is the only difference. Okay. Now the tangent is a different color now. Now I animate. Let me animate now. Now all of you know that what is a tangent and what is a secant now. Let me animate now. At one spot, secant and tangent coincide. At one spot, secant and tangent coincide. You know that what are the spots at which it coincides? You can see the animation speed also. You can control the animation speed, or you can make the animation manual also. Manual also you can make the animation. somebody was asking that how a secant become a tangent in that limiting case. This you can explain to the child, and you can show them that 90 degrees also is making, radius is making with the tangent at the point of contact, and you are seeing that the tangent is not at all going inside. The green color tangent is not going inside, but the secant अंदर और बाहर का खेल खेल रहा है. ठीक है, चलो. I think I will stop.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we show here angle between these two lines?
Definitely, madam. You can make. Take a point on it. मैं angle का करना आपको बता दिया ना. Take that 3
Yes.
points, right click and then create angle. You can do. And when they coincide, the angle will become 0. I think all of you know that. It is not a big issue. Okay, well. Let me close everything. Let me go for that secant. Sector and segment very quickly. Please go for it. Circle बनाना आपको आता है. Right click it. Circle radius. I will take a very simple circle of 3 units. Okay. Let me take a point on this. आपको point करना आता है. Go near it. Arrow आता है. Drop it. Go near it. Arrow आता है. Drop it. Otherwise, the point will not be inside the circle, or it may not be on the circle. That is actually interesting idea. Okay, well, I am pressing escape. I am selecting these 2 points now. These 2 points I am selecting. Right click, go to the line and line segment. Now you can go on explaining to the child what is the meaning of sector, then what is the meaning of segment, what is the meaning of major segment, what is the meaning of minor segment, and so on. I will very quickly, I will see what are the things available here. Let me select this segment, maybe card, sorry. Let me select this card, right click, go to this circle. You are having sector, you are having segment, you are having arc. अब क्या बनाना चाहते हैं, बनाकर बच्चों को दिखा सकते हैं. I will take sector. Sector is formed. Let me select it once again. I will for want of time, let me not go to all of them. Let me go for the circle once again and have segment. Automatically color change हो गया. देखिए इसका color change हो गया. If you want to make it very attractive, you can change the color also and you can show it to the child. Okay, now you are showing that segment and all. Another highly interesting thing, आपने कुछ नहीं करना. देखिए नीचे जो है ना इसका पूरा कुंडली आ जाता है. ये कुंडली आ गया. What is the segment area? What is the segment area? पूरा आ गया. Okay, anyway, now remember, I think that whatever the value which you are getting, whatever you are doing, it will come in the bottom. ये नीचे आएगा, but नीचे बच्चों को दिखाने में दिक्कत होगा. जब वो नीचे वालों को 2 बार डबल क्लिक करिए, ऊपर आ जाता है वो. देखो ऊपर आ गया ये. It has come on the top. Sorry, it has come in the top. I repeat once again. आपने कुछ भी बच्चों को दिखाते हैं, सर्कल, सेक्टर, व्हाटएवर में भी, उसका आइडिया नीचे आ जाता है. देखिए x इज इक्वल टू, y इज इक्वल टू, t इज इक्वल टू, सेगमेंट एरिया पूरा आ जाता है. उसको डबल क्लिक करिए, it will come on the top. Drag it and then show it to the child. Okay. Now the interesting thing about this is whenever I am pulling it or pushing it, you know that the segment area also will increase. है ना? Segment area will increase. The sector का area will increase. Length of the arc will increase. You can play with that. Okay, well, I am deleting it because you play around. Very simple. Maths teacher का जल्दी आ जाता है सब कुछ. But don't worry. Well, I think we can go for cyclic quadrilateral. You can go for parallelogram, and you can show that when I join the midpoint of a parallelogram क्या होता है. Sorry, quadrilateral. You can draw a quadrilateral. Very quickly you can draw a quadrilateral. I think I showed you 4 points you can take, and you can sorry, 4 points you can take, and you can select all of them, and you can right click, group the shape, and you got a quadrilateral, and take each and every point and then right click it, get the midpoints, again join them and show them that it is a parallelogram. Like that you can have any number of questions you can have. For example, I think whatever the theorems which the child is studying, For example, you can take a circle. You can take a circle of radius, for example, 3 centimeters. Okay. Now you can take a point on the circle. You can take a point over here, and both the points you can join. You know how to do it. Very quickly I will do. This is the actually some of the properties which the kitab mein hai. You can try to show it there. Okay, one more point I will take over here, and I will take these 2 points. Now I think all of you might have understood actually what I am doing now. I am taking it, and I am taking the line. I am drawing a line segment, and once again I am taking this point, and I am taking this point, and I am right clicking, and then take the line, and then I am drawing the line segment. Once again I am taking this point, and I am taking this point, and I am right clicking, and then I am going for a line segment. Okay. Once again I am taking this point, and I am taking this point, and I am right clicking, and I am going for line segment. All of you know that what I am going to make now. Angle made in the alternate segment is, you know that. Okay. This theorem you can prove it to the child very clearly. Okay. Now whenever I am teaching this, टीचर की तरफ से हमेशा एक सवाल आता है. आपका मन में भी वो सवाल आया होगा, सर ये फिगर को कैसे कॉपी कर लें, हाउ टू यूज इट इन माय क्वेश्चन पेपर. ओके, नॉर्मली ऑल ऑफ यू विल बी हैविंग इन योर माइंड. वेरी सिंपल. कोई भी आपने इसमें तस्वीर बनाते हो, go to this page, so many options are there. Copy graph, copy equation, copy status bar. Always take this copy graph. आपने कोई भी copy graph, देखिए मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. I have copied it. Okay, I am coming over here. I am going to a slide. I am pasting it. आ गया ना? आ गया?
Yes, sir.
किसी में भी आता है वो. Even in your word also it comes. No problem. Okay, therefore that is the thing which most of you will be interested to know. Okay, well, I will come back very quickly. I will just to show area under a curve. It is highly interesting over here. Area under a curve. I will come back to this graph. Okay, now when we come back to class 12th standard, we will be always very toughly we will be drawing that curve. कर्व का नीचे ऊपर वगैरह बच्चों को बताते हैं. Now you can write the equation of the curve very quickly. For example, go to this equality sign. You can enter any equation. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Sir, it is visible to me. Is it that anybody can tell me is it screen is not visible?
Visible, sir.
Sir, clearly visible.
Sir, please refresh it once. Refresh
very
it once.
clear.
I think Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, लग रहा है
Yes,
आपको
sir.
नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
अग्रवाल जी थोड़ा एक बार रिफ्रेश कर दो, आ जाएगा.
Okay, वही कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस है ना, क्लियर है.
ठीक है. इक्वालिटी साइन को आप क्लिक करने से, देखिए इक्वालिटी साइन को क्लिक करने से इट विल आस्क यू टू एंटर इक्वेशन. You can write any equation. Let me very quickly let me tell you x square. For example, I am just writing it. Okay, y is equal to x square आ गया. ठीक है. Now you can go on adding equation with that also. Suppose I want to have one more equation. Y is equal to x. आ गया. Is it okay? Now I think this is one of the any question which is in your textbook. Equation, 2 equation, 3 equation. सबको एक ही में डाल दीजिए, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट इट. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम टेकिंग वन इक्वेशन नाउ. आई विल जस्ट शो यू दैट वेरी क्विकली. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3. लेट मी ड्रॉ. ओके, नाउ दिस इक्वेशन आई गॉट. यू कैन ड्रैग इट आल्सो टू शो इट टू द चाइल्ड लाइक दिस. ओके, ऐसा बच्चों को बढ़िया से दिखा सकते हैं. Okay, now I want to do the area. Very simple. Click this graph. It will become black color. Once again I repeat. इसको click करो, black color में चला जाएगा. Right click करो, create area. It will ask from what number to what number आपने इसको area find करना है. starting point is 0 and end point is 3 for example. I am just clicking OK. एरिया आ गया आपको तो लग रहा है तो कलर आपको ठीक से नहीं मिल रहा है क्या? Is it the color is very dark?
Color only not visible.
Color not visible. अभी देखिए visible?
Yes, sir.
Now it should be visible. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay. Now you remember this.
Okay, sir.
This autograph is giving very interesting idea also. That is आपने इसमें एक मिनट. Okay. I'm coming out. Okay. Here when you click this area, and then there is one text box is there. The text box always will give you the area. The text box always will give you the area, and I am typing it. Area is showing here. आपको पता है एरिया क्यों 0 है? नो आंसर.
Because
ये वाला पॉजिटिव है, ये वाला नेगेटिव है. एक्चुअली नॉर्मली एरिया नहीं होगा. Both of them are 1. Okay, this is 1.33. This is the minus 1.33. Now you see this problem is a very interesting one. You can show it to the child why this area is 0. Suppose I am taking this graph once again. Okay, let me create the area from 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 1 let me create. 0 to 1 create हो गया. Then again I will do again doing that 1 to 3. This area is 1.33. Okay, let me go back once again. Let me go to this create area. Let me do it from 1 to 3. Okay, let me come back to here again. I will ask it to display that. Okay. Okay, ये एरिया जो है ना माइनस में आ रहा है, बट एरिया कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. ओके, दोनों का ऐड करने से 0 आ रहा है. ओके, एनीवे आई थिंक आई एम क्लोजिंग इट. ओके, नाउ यू सी whenever you are asking the child about that continuity of a function, हम लोग हमेशा बच्चों को बताते हैं कंटिन्यूटी का मतलब है बिना हाथ को ऐसे, नो नीड टू लिफ्ट द पेन. कंटिन्यूसली आ गया तो कंटिन्यूस है. अपने कलम को ऐसा ऐसा ब्रेक करके करके करते हो, then it is a discontinuous function. For example, let me type this function, very interesting one. All of you know that this actually we have done it. ABSX. What is that ABSX? All of you know that?
Modulus.
Modulus. Okay. ये modulus जो है ना, ये modulus को देखिए. If you just click it and then ask it to do it, and without lifting it, it is doing it. Okay? Without lifting the pen, it is doing. Okay? So this is a continuous function. Now you can do it for sin x also, cos x also. Very simple. Okay. Now let me take one function which is not continuous. You know that which function is not continuous?
Second function, modulus x.
What is this function?
greatest integer.
Madam Mridula madam and Jairam sir, please mute your mic. Mridula madam and Jairaman sir, please mute your mic. It's creating sound. This is a greatest integer function. Now you see, very simple. Select this curve. There is one tortoise is there. Click the tortoise and then click it, and then click OK. It is showing that how it is, why it is not continuous. 1 second I will show. What happened? Showing now? Visible? I will show you once again. Any curve you draw, suppose in your textbook we are having a lot of questions. We are telling them ये continuity है, ये discontinuous है, ये increasing function है, ये decreasing function है. Everything you can show them. Is it okay? Now with the last one I will just show you how to show them that idea of differentiation. I will take y is equal to sin x. Now I will show you in degrees. Okay. Okay. Now, whenever you are taking any function, what you can do is you can get its gradient immediately. The gradients will be, you know that cos x. For y is equal to sin x, it is cos x. Okay, and now let me show you the gradient of some other function now. Y is equal to x square when I click it and then go for its gradient, and you know that this is the gradient of it. You know what is the meaning of gradient? When you solve that y is equal to x square, dy by dx is equal to 2x. And not only that, whenever you take a point on this, and on the point when you draw one tangent, you can tell the children that what is the connection between the tangent and the gradient by just showing the animations. By showing the animation that actually the gradient, that is y is equal to 2x, is nothing but the path traced by x comma the slope. Not only that, you can show the children that the slope is negative when it comes down and it is positive when it goes up. Okay, well, now the maybe 5 more minutes. Let me tell you that how it can be used for statistics. That is highly interesting. I am going for the statistics page. In statistics, it takes both the raw data and group data also. दोनों लेता है. Group data मतलब you have to tell the frequency separately. Now let me just very quickly tell you that how raw data can be used. For that I have taken a raw data very quickly in Excel worksheet. मैंने इधर जो है ना वो 50 नंबर ले लिया. I will just copy these numbers and keep it ready. You can call these are the numbers which maybe the marks obtained by students. Okay, I am copying it, I am keeping it ready. Here you are having raw data 1. It is telling that you can import it from CSV. The meaning of CSV is, actually CSV is a nothing but a Excel worksheet. Don't worry about it. CSV is an extension being used in LibreOffice. But don't worry, I am copying it. It is being copied. Sort by X I am doing. Okay, I have clicked OK. Right click. Group data set. Okay, I will go for 0 and class width is 10. And I am clicking use raw data I have taken. Because raw data I have given it to it. I am clicking OK. Again right click. Then go for histogram. Histogram has come. Okay, now this histogram, when you right click it, you can go for cumulative frequency diagram also. Okay, you know that how to do it. Then all the available things are available over here. And another interesting thing about this is at the bottom you will get everything. Group data का सब कुछ आ जाता है. And there is one thing called result box. एक result box जैसा एक है. आप click कर दिया तो it will tell you the area, everything it will give you. Okay, therefore the statistics data very quickly you can do it. Okay, now some of you may be having some confusion. Sir, मुझे इतना तो बता दिया फिर करने में बहुत तकलीफ होता है. I will show you that also. आपका तकलीफ नहीं होना है. With that I close. what is the website I told you? याद है?
CompleteMaths.com.
CompleteMaths.com. Okay, I'm opening it. Okay. Without doing any kind of login and all, you are having a lot of tutorial in that. Go to this autograph. You are having tutorials. You are having webinar material. You are having tutorials. Click these tutorials. A new page will open with the tutorial. Now you are seeing here a lot of video files are there. I think it is not opening. It is having more than 80 video files being explained in a very nice manner. It is being done by Mr. Barton. Simply what you have to do is, suppose you want to know something about shapes, click it. But internet connection is required for this. Go to the YouTube. Click it.
Hello and welcome to Mr. Barton's autograph videos #1. In this first video,
very
we're simply
interesting
going to
thing
look at a few selection issues
about
in
very
autograph
interesting thing is,
and how we might go about creating.
very interesting thing about these videos are, all the videos are only maximum 10 minutes. So you can learn it, but don't stop only learning. The thing is that whenever you are going on exploring things, how it can be done. Suppose this histogram I have done, as you are saving your Word file, very simple, go to this file and go to this save. And it will ask you where you want to save this file. And all these files are having extension AGG. All these files will have extension AGG. One important caution I want to give you, because this is being faced by many of the teachers. Whatever you are doing in GeoGebra, whatever you are doing in autograph, you will be always interested to take it to the school and show it to the children, and especially during inspection. मुझे पता है. Normally we will try to show it during the type of inspection and all. But remember, in your computer you may be having GeoGebra loaded, you may be having autograph loaded, but you might have done all these files. But when you carry it to your school, the computer which you are using, in that also autograph should be loaded. मैं फिर एक बार बताता हूँ, आपने कौन से कंप्यूटर में उसको स्कूल में दिखाते हो, उसमें भी ऑटोग्राफ लोड होना चाहिए और जियोजेब्रा लोड होना चाहिए. Otherwise, your class will become anti climax. You will not be able to show the file to the children. इसलिए आपने कोई भी स्कूल में इसको दिखाना चाहते हैं, कौन से कंप्यूटर में इसको दिखा रहे हो, उसमें भी ऑटोग्राफ को लोड करके दिखा दीजिए. Because this .agg file will work only on computers where autograph is loaded. Okay, I think exactly by 3:31 I am closing. Any other question, please?
Sir, what is the file extension for an autograph? ATG.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
File extension ATG.
1 minute, sir. I will come back. Okay, who is that? Mr. Sejit Sridharan.
Sir, what is the extension?
.agg.
ATG, no?
.agg.
AGG. Okay.
Automatically it comes, don't worry. When you save it, it comes automatically. Any other question?
GBB, no?
Huh? GeoGebra is GBB.
GeoGebra file GBB. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other question, please?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Mr.
much.
Vikas Dubey, please mute your mic, or you want to talk, you can talk. Mr. Chitti Babu. Any other question?
Sir, I have a question for you.
I think this is Navneet Kaur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I installed on my laptop this Autograph 5.
When?
But some of the icons, they are not showing up.
No, when you
Like
install?
So right now only.
Icon is not coming in the desktop.
Yes, sir. Some of the icons they are not coming.
Some of
up.
the icon means
Like
there
they
is
are
only
being
one
not
icon for autograph.
reflected. Yes, sir.
There is only one icon for autograph.
Uh,
No, I cannot catch your question.
I'm-
Please, you have loaded the autograph. Are you able to see the icon on the desktop? No.
yes, sir. That I've opened already. Autograph 5.
Okay.
But the thing is, some of the icons that you have used during this session, like the
Okay,
tick
okay.
one mark.
They are all called toolbars. Okay, I think once again I will tell you. One second. 1 minute.
Okay.
Show you.
They are
I'll show
not
you.
being reflected
No,
in
1 minute.
green.
1 minute.
That,
I can understand what you are telling. I think that was already I told to everybody. But anyway, I will show it once again. 1 minute.
okay, sir. Thank you so much.
You are talking about this. The 2 rows. These are all not shown.
Yes. Yes, sir.
These are all called toolbars based on the page
Yes,
you
sir.
have selected. For example, I have selected 2D, only that will come. When I
Okay,
select
sir.
3D, उसका tool आ जाता है. देखिए
Okay,
उसका
sir.
tool आ गया. When I select complex, उसका tool आ गया.
Okay,
When I
sir.
select-
For
okay.
every page, there is a different tool.
Different madam, because they have done like that only. आपको चाहिए
Okay.
मान लीजिए, you have to go this add and remove button, customize, and then tick it and then bring it to the top. But हमेशा याद रख लीजिए, ज़्यादा tool आपने ऊपर रख दिया, then it will occupy more space on the top, and whatever you want to show it to the children, that will become reduced.
Okay, sir.
For
Okay,
that
okay.
purpose
Thank you.
only, they have made maximum only 2 rows.
Okay, sir.
This is called toolbar.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Any other question, please? Any other question? We will call it a day then. Okay. Krishnamurthy Iyer.
No, sir. Very well explained, sir.
Okay, you want to tell that? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, friends. Anyway, I have tried my level best. I am having one more webinar now. I have to join there by 3:45. Sorry. Anyway, I think 1 hour I have exceeded. I feel. Sorry for exceeding by 10 minutes. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. अभी नायक कुछ बताएगा.
So let me again extend my heartfelt thanks to you for sparing your valuable time. So and enlightening the participants about this GeoGebra.
अरे
So
autograph
once
है.
again, autograph. Once again, on behalf of all the participants, I am
Thank you.
extending my hearty welcome to sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, friends. I am leaving now. Thank you very much.
Now, friends.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I am leaving.
Now,